And today, Lizzie and I are going to be checking out this unicorn craft kit. It's kind of like a snow globe, but without the water. And you just put your unicorns and decorate it, and you put the glass over the top, or probably plastic in this case. And you make your own little scene for decorating your bedroom. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's see what we have. Pull it all out. Oh, it's got a cord. That means what? It lights up. Oh, what is, oh, hold on. Let me see it. Ugh. Got some stickers with it. Ooh. So it is plastic, huh?
So it won't break.
Oh, now you just unscrew it. And there's your lights. So it looks like you get a wooden base. Well, it's really plastic, but it looks like wood. It has fairy lights inside. You have a tree, and it looks like the cherry blossoms from Japan. It has a nice pink.
My favorite country. I mean, whatever the thing is called, I forgot.
And then it's got more pink foliage for sprinkling around. Oh, and you have some grass. And what are all those?
A mushroom house.
A birdhouse.
A
It looks like
birdhouse or
a rainbow with clouds. And
purple unicorn, pink unicorn, and blue unicorn. My favorite unicorn because it's blue.
And then you just get a power cord or powering up the lights. So, very, very cool. All right, so the way that you do this, and I'm going to kind of get it set up for Lizzie, and then she's going to take over. But you take these little sticky pads that came with it, and you can see that 2 of them make a circle. And you just simply stick it on the inside, just like this. Just like that. And then we gotta peel this off the top. 2-sided tape is all it is. There we go. Now this is a super sticky surface, so don't touch it, and you actually get to decorate it. So where do you want to put your house and your unicorns?
This.
Face them all that way, because this is the back.
Wait, should I put?
I would put the tree next.
But what about these?
Well, you gotta put all the big stuff on first, then you get to sprinkle the grass, and you can have pink or green.
It's there.
There you go. All right, so where are you gonna put your unicorns? The crew's hanging out in the front yard?
Yes. Rainbow, lunar, and funny.
All right, so what about your rainbow? You gonna put it like behind the unicorns maybe? Or just, okay, off to the side? All right, so now we gotta undo this. Well, go ahead. You gotta do do you want green grass or pink grass?
Both.
Both, okay.
They will be eating food.
Good job, baby. So now that she's decorated, we're gonna take the little fairy lights. We're gonna kind of just put them into the globe.
I don't know. I'll just keep it.
So now we have that on. It's time to light it up. Now you can plug it into any USB-C, and there's even a battery compartment on the bottom if you want to go that route. But I'm just gonna use this little power bank just so you guys can see. Put it on.
Beauty.
Ooh. Check this out. How cool is that?
Beautiful.
Lizzie's got her own unicorn scene with the pink tree and pink grass and the green food for the unicorns, with the rainbow in the house, and even a little birdhouse and stars to keep her company and give her a little nightlight all night long, right?
Yes.
So what do you think? Is it pretty cool?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, we hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.